You've heard this before. A picture is worth, come on, fill in the blank. A picture is worth 1,000 words. If that is so, how many words is a video worth? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Since we're oohing and eyeing, that's what we're going to talk about today. Is one, the importance of a video. Let's get video. Importance of video in your business, and three of the biggest reasons why I hear estheticians are just not doing it. Let's get down to the skinny, winnie with your boy. Wicked. Shut up. Mm. All right, if you don't know me, if you're brand new to the group, my name is Wick, and the reason I do these videos is because there's that old song by Savage Garden, you know, I do. I don't even know where I was going with that, but anyways, I truly, madly, deeply care about you, the esthetician, your business. I care about your success. I want you to MF win in this game called Business, beauty business. All right. So a picture's worth 1,000 words. I kid you not, a video is worth 1,000,000. And the reason is this. The reason why videos are freaking critical for your business is one, people get a feel of who you are. There's an old saying that I've repeated a million gazillion times. The words are about, what do they say, about 20% of the conversation or 10% or some weird number like that. The rest, the 80% of communication is non-verbal, meaning it's the way you're looking, the way I'm talking, the tonality I'm using. Does it feel like I care? Forget the words. Does it feel like this brown bald dude cares about your business? Because that is the importance, and that's what video does. It gives you more genuineness, I guess, is the only word I can come up with, because the more people feel you care about them, the more that people feel you understand their pain, their problem, or whatever, thingamabob they're going through, the better they'll be able to trust you. And trust is critical in this beauty business. Would you not agree with that? Can we agree trust is important? People are coming to your business, several of them are derobing, just throw it out there, and then laying down and letting you slap their face and put chemicals and things and stuff, and there's a trust factor, right? So why is it that not enough estheticians, or I wish more estheticians were doing video? Why? And these are the three reasons I hear why they are not doing. One, they don't like how they look. Wick, I hate seeing me on video. I hate the way I look. All right, here, when a client comes to see you, you you're not going to be walking around. The filters on your phone are not going to follow your face. Can we agree with that? In real life, when we're not living in the matrix, the filters, the this, the that, whatever, right? What you see is what you get. So the fact that Wick, I hate the way I look on video, dude. Here, let me give you a heads up. That's just how you look. And one, you are gorgeous. Two, no one, if they spent $1 million, could recreate who you are. So stop judging yourself and start falling in love with yourself. And three, more importantly, no one really cares what you look like unless they're trying to hook up with you. I think a lot of estheticians, a majority are clients of women. That's my audience. That's who I go for. I just think more women is just an easier market. And I don't know if a lot of these gals are trying to hook up with you. So, they're not, we all kind of judge each other to some degree, but I haven't gone to my dentist. I'm like, man, my dentist is ugly mofo and oh, blah, 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 blah. No, I'm like, dude, can you fix my teeth? I don't care what you look like. Can you fix these teeth? Can you, right? So get out of your own head, right? What you look like is what you look like, whether it's on video or in person. So, uh, No, that's just you're not doing a lot of the stuff virtually. So they're gonna see you. They're gonna see you. Get out of that mind because they're gonna see you. Peekaboo. But you ain't walking in there and putting a blindfold on them like, okay, I need to blindfold you for this facial. It's like that's a whole nother movie that I probably cannot discuss in this group, but I will create another group called S&M and facials, which will be a completely different thing. Just throwing it out there. All right. Two, Wick, I hate listening to my own voice. Yo, you know who has two thumbs and also hates listening to his own voice? This fool right here. I listen to my voice and I swear I'm still in puberty. I think I just inhaled helium and I just sound like a freaking idiot. But you know what? This freaking idiot has almost like 20,000 followers or folks that are in this group that listen to him. Dude, who cares what I sound like? Like, do I care? This is my voice. This is what I sound like, right? Sometimes, I'll hit a acapella, really like my voice, like, and sometimes do, right? I don't know, but the less I care what I sound like, the more I can care about the message that I'm sharing with you. So the less you care about what you sound like, the better you can convey your information of skincare, of brows, of waxing, sugaring, lashes, etc., to your client. Because honestly, they don't care what you sound like. I don't, so far, and I receive hundreds and thousands of comments all the freaking time and DMs and all of that. I have yet to have somebody complain and say, Wick, you know what? I've been listening to you, and I wish you wouldn't talk because your voice sounds horrible, right? I think it sounds horrible, but I haven't received that message yet, right? So it's like, knock on wood. It's like I don't get it, but if I do, I'm like, okay, because and how shallow of a person would that be, or whatever, to to send me a message and saying, "Hey, Wick, I've been listening to your videos, and thanks for the comments, and thanks for the help, and thanks for sharing and helping the industry and sharing your knowledge and stuff like that. But I just want to let you know your voice sounds horrible." Dude, do you know what kind of a horrible person that is? And believe me, I get some weird comments. Somebody messaged me the other day, an educator, right? And she wanted to share her opinion on how what I'm doing is, wrong, and I'm a capitalist, or I'm promoting a product, or whatever it was, right? And I'm just like, yeah, so it's like, okay. And I'm just like, yeah, this person, thank you for sharing your opinion with me. It's like, oh, whatever, right? That's just how it is, right? And the third thing why people don't want or don't like to do video is they go, Wick, what if I just look dumb? What if people leave mean comments? And let's hit that one, right? Let's hit that one hard because again, I get mean messages, and I'm here spending my time, my energy, right? Time that I just don't already have to do this for the group because I care, because I want to see you win, right? It's like that's it. There's no hidden agenda. Am I gonna make money in the process? Of course. Am I gonna be selling things? Yes. Here's your disclaimer, right? Wick is gonna make money. Am I gonna make a little money or a lot of money? I'm gonna make a buttload of money. But in the process, I'm not gonna make money off of you. I'm gonna make money with you. So that's like what I'm always talking about. And when people send me a mean message, I just kind of look at them like, man, this person is in pain, because what kind of person is gonna send a mean message to someone who is trying to better themselves or share information with the community or trying to help other people? What kind of lonely poor soul does that? So I just sympathize, right? Like I don't even get mad. I'm like, you know what? Bless this person. It's like, bless you, child. Bless you. Right? I think that's Southern for dumbass. So same thing with you. As you're on this journey to better yourself and do video and try to educate and share your message, and in the beginning you're not going to be a rock star or whatever, do you hear how many ahs, likes that I have? It's like it's horrible, right? But I'm not trying to teach you grammar. If I was trying to teach you grammar, nobody would follow me because I suck at grammar. I before E except after C. That's the only thing I remember from third grade or whatever. All right. So same thing with you. As you're trying to better yourself, improve yourself, get better, educate people, stop people from doing stupid ass shit like put on, saying I've scrub on their face. Great for the elbows, for the face, maybe not so much, right? Or you're trying to share information on things that you're discovering that work for other people. Dude, you're doing a good thing. Be proud of yourself. And just because you're not freaking a rock star at it yet, and if somebody leaves you a mean message or you're afraid of looking dumb, dude, you will never look dumb to people like me that again, I've been in this business game for a while, who see somebody trying, and I'm like, you know what, good for you, good for you. The only people that are going to criticize you are people that are jealous, that wish they could do it, or that are hurt inside, so they have nothing but negativity to give. You could be helping a nice old woman cross the road, and that person's gonna be like, oh, look at that. She's just doing that for the attention, right? It's like, oh, you can't please everybody, right? So stop. So put a chill on it. One, going back, you look like who you look like. Like me right now, I am fat. I say it straight up. I am fat. I need to lose weight. Working on it. Mission I like crappy food too much. So my job is to exercise as much as I can so I can overcome the crappy food that I'm going to continue to eat, whatever, right? So that's up to me to change that. And in that meantime, am I fat? Yeah, okay. So I'm not the skinniest dude in the world. I'm okay with that, right? I just own who you are and be like, you know what? I'm improving. I'm going to work on it and do that. Right? Second thing, you sound like what you sound like. No one. It takes a very shallow person. I don't think anyone has ever really complained and said, hey, dude, your voice is weird or blah blah blah. It's like, and if somebody does, I'm like, you know, God bless you, right? Whatever. And third thing is, in the beginning, don't expect to be good. It's okay. It's okay. But you have to start somewhere. And when you try in the beginning and you get things going, the people, your supporters, people that are in the same boat as you, they will applaud your effort. If you ever get negative comments, and again, it happens, welcome to the world, right? Everyone's plenty of haters in this world. You know what? Just when somebody says something mean or this or that or whatever, God bless you. Go, ooh, here I am trying to send positivity in this world, and this person over here is trying to be negative. Oh, okay. Hey, no worries, yo. God bless you, right? So get to the videos. Care less what you look like, because guess what? That's what you look like. That's what they're going to see in person. The only thing the video is doing is introducing you to them at an earlier stage so they feel more comfortable with you. So start doing videos, start small, start simple, start easy. Grab your phone, do a quick voiceover, do video of other things, and then just have you go like that. You got to start somewhere and then build up. And next thing you know, you'll be on video like me and giving two F's about what I look like, what my background looks like. Look at this mess. Oh my God, right? It's just a cluster here. But I'm here to share positivity with you. And I pray, I am the great Cornholio. I pray that you're feeling that for me. All right. So be amazing, because being amazing pays so well. You got this. You can do this. So nothing to it but to do it. Peace.